If you don't have a rainfall shower head in your shower, what are you doing? They're super simple to use and they're so much better than a standard shower head by itself. This is the 8-inch model from G Promise, and this thing is awesome. You have the rainfall shower head up top, and then you have the standard shower head here. Really like this, really sleek design, really easy to use. You can adjust the angle of the rainfall shower head by adjusting the screw here and bring it down and lower it depending on what angle your water supply line comes out of your wall. You can put this at different angles to get it at the perfect angle for when you're in the shower, and depending how tall you are, you may want it a little bit taller. You can also adjust this up here, move this to either side, front and back, and then adjust this one here to change the angle of the head depending where you want it. This part of the shower has a 70-inch long hose on it, so you can reach pretty far. You can get all the way to the other side of your shower for whatever reason if you need that. It's really handy when you come to washing pets, like your dog or something in the shower. It gives you a lot of reach with this. Nice holder here that moves around. Something to consider when you're getting this, you put this in the holder and it looks like it's in the way of the shower head, and it is. You just pull this to the side and then it will come past the rainfall shower head here. Unlike many other shower heads on the market, this is all metal, which I really like. There's a lot of plastic models out there. The control valve is right here, so you can put it in this mode here, which is going to be the rainfall setting, and turn it all the way around, and that goes to this handheld setting here. Or you can put it in the middle, and you can have both of them on at the same time. It's a really nice shower head, 8-inch here, and you've got plenty of these little blasters. This rainfall shower head is really nice. It's made of metal, and if you want to get a larger rainfall shower head, you can get that. I really like the fact that they don't just have one size, they have many sizes to fit different types of shower. And then they also have different features on here, so you can put them different spray settings. I just have the basic one here, but it is great. So there's definitely less pressure when you're using the rainfall shower head and the handheld part of the same type. That's to be expected because more water is coming out. This G Promise has a max of 1.8 gallons per minute, and I tested that and it was about bang on, so really impressive that it actually has the flow rate that they say it has. It comes with spare tips in here, so if one of these does fall off, you can replace it. I've got no leaks on this shower. It was really easy to install. Yes, it's dripping here a little bit, but that's just some residual water that will drip out. So if you're looking for a good quality rainfall shower head that is metal and has different options, I'd highly recommend you take a look at the G Promise lineup.